For decades, the story of technology has been a human story. We wrote the code, we built the systems, we were the architects. But a fundamental shift is quietly underway. The tools are no longer just responding to our commands. They're starting to understand our intent, to execute our vision, and in some cases, to have a vision of their own. We are witnessing the dawn of the age of the invisible engineer. The biggest signal of this shift is the emergence of systems like OpenAI's new GPT-5 Codex. This isn't another chatbot that can write a Python function. This is an AI built for marathon coding sessions. Think of it as the difference between giving a carpenter a power drill versus a fully autonomous construction robot. Previous AIs were the power drill, incredibly helpful, but you still had to hold it, aim it, and control it. GPT-5 Codex is the robot. You give it a blueprint. Build me a secure e-commerce platform with user accounts and payment processing, and it can write the front end, the back end, the database schemas, and run the tests for hours on end without stopping. It's not just an assistant, it's a foundational colleague made of silicon. What happens when this technology matures? We move from writing software to cultivating it. Imagine a future where software is a living, breathing entity. A bug is found not by a user complaint, but by the AI that maintains the system. The AI diagnoses the flaw, writes the patch, tests it against 1,000 simulated scenarios, and deploys the fix, all before a human engineer even finishes their morning coffee. This is the promise of autonomous maintenance. Our digital infrastructure becomes self-healing and self-optimizing, leading to systems that are more stable and secure than anything humans could manage alone. But code alone is abstract. The true revolution begins when a mind this powerful asks for a body, and that's exactly what's happening. OpenAI is secretly rebooting its robotics division. 5 years ago, they paused because the AI brain wasn't smart enough. Now, with models like GPT-5 Codex, they have a mind that can reason, plan, and code in real time. The goal is no longer just a robot that can walk or pick up a block. It's a robot that can understand a messy room and decide how to clean it, or one that can be given a high-level instruction like, assemble this furniture, and it can figure out the steps, troubleshoot a missing screw, and adjust its grip, all by leveraging the powerful, logical reasoning of a coding AI. This fusion of a code-generating mind with a physical body is the gateway to true general-purpose robots. This might sound like replacement, but the data suggests a different future. A massive new study from Harvard and OpenAI reveals that people aren't using AI as an oracle for answers. They're using it as a partner for thinking. They're assigning it roles. Be my brainstorming partner. Act as a senior code reviewer. Help me plan my project. We are naturally forming teams with AI. The future of software engineering and many other fields won't be about AI doing all the work. It will be a partnership, human intuition, strategy, and creativity, amplified by AI's superhuman speed, precision, and endurance. The human defines the what and the why, and the AI handles the immense complexity of the how. The recursive loop: who builds the builders? This leads us to the final and most profound implication: recursive self-improvement. What happens when an AI that can code begins to improve the very AI that it runs on? We are building tools that can build better tools. GPT-5 Codex could be used to design and optimize the architecture for GPT-6. This creates a feedback loop of intelligence, a cycle where each generation of AI is fundamentally architected by the one that came before it. This is the path to an intelligence explosion, and it's no longer science fiction. It's the logical endpoint of the path we're now walking. We are standing at a precipice. The release of advanced coding AIs and the return of robotics aren't isolated events. They are connected chapters in a single, unfolding story. The story of intelligence becoming a tangible, programmable force in the world. The invisible engineer is now at work, not to replace us, but to build a world whose complexity finally matches the scale of our ambition. The question is, what will we choose to build together?
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTech-Lens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.